Hey folks, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Just a quick video to remind you to be safe this summer, but also to keep in mind about your vehicle with the extreme and intense heat that we will be experiencing. Heat can be just as bad for your vehicle as extreme cold can be in various different ways. It's very important to bring your vehicle in and have regular maintenance done. And the reason behind that is with the excess of heat, the fluids in your vehicle will evaporate at a much faster rate, such as the fluids in your battery, your engine oil, your windshield wiper fluid, and all in your brake fluid. Everything is at risk with intense heat. So very important. Bring your vehicle in, have the maintenance done, have it checked out, but above all, stay safe. Now, a good way to avoid a lot of this is keep your vehicle either parked in the shade or parked in a garage. Also, if you have a sun visor that you can place in the windshield of your car, believe it or not, that helps out a great deal as well. And that's as far as protecting the inside of the vehicle so you don't burn yourself on the steering wheel or the leather seats. But nonetheless, once again, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Come on in, check out our service department. They are grade A. They're fantastic, very friendly, very knowledgeable and professional, and will definitely help keep your vehicle safe this summer. You guys take care, and we'll look for you on the lot. All right, bye-bye.